If this cheese pull doesn't convince you to get up and make this garlic bread right now, honestly, I don't know what will. Welcome back. Today, we're making the kind of cheesy garlic bread that makes you forget you ever liked regular bread. First things first, garlic confit. Basically, we let garlic chill in a ridiculous amount of oil until it completely gives up on life and turns into buttery heaven. Listen to this. Garlic should be completely smooth. Add the rest of the ingredients. Parmesan is already salty, but if your blood pressure isn't high enough, feel free to add extra salt here. The parsley is optional, but don't skip it. Transfer everything into a piping bag. Now let's make the Tangzhong, the little bread trick that gives you bakery-level softness. Cook it until it looks like thick yogurt or mashed potatoes. Now add all the dough ingredients, except the butter. Knead for about 5 minutes until everything comes together. You can absolutely knead by hand if you enjoy upper body workouts for no reason. We'll let the mixer do the work. Judge us all you want. Now add the softened butter. And knead for another 10 minutes until the dough is smooth, stretchy, and refuses to stick to your hands. Grease a bowl. Drop the dough in. Cover it. And let it rest for 2 hours. Funny how the dough gets to rest after 10 minutes of hard work. And somehow we don't. Punch out the air. Move it onto a floured surface. Divide it into 8 roughly equal pieces. Roll each piece into a ball. Don't stress about making perfect circles. Nobody's measuring. Cover them and let them rest another 10 minutes. Now roll each dough ball into an oval. Using a pizza cutter or a sharp knife, make cuts through about 2/3 of the dough. Just don't cut all the way through. Leave the top intact. Pipe in the filling. Then roll it up exactly like in the video. Seal the end really well, unless you enjoy cheese escaping during baking. Arrange them all in your baking tray. Cover and let them rise for another 30 minutes. Brush with milk or egg yolk, whichever team you're on. Finally, into the oven they go. As soon as they come out, brush them with the garlic butter and honey while they're still hot. And our masterpiece is officially ready. Let's take a moment to appreciate this work of art. I'll stop talking now, because this cheese pull deserves complete silence. Serve it with the same garlic butter honey sauce. Now for Winky's official review. As always, negative, a harsh critic. I'll try harder next time. See you in the next one. Bye.